Good morning to everyone. Now we can move the topic of STEP. STEP means Standard for the Exchange of Product Model Data. Standard for Exchange of Product Model Data uses a formal model for data exchange. Information is modeled using the Express language. Express has an element of Pascal, C, and other language. It contains constructs for defining data type and structures, but not for processing data. Express describes geometry and other information in a standard, unambiguous way. STP architecture. This is the physical file conformance testing. Layer 1 implementation method, Layer 2 resource information model, Layer 3 application protocol. Classes of STEP parts: introductory, description method, implementation methods, confirmation testing methodology and framework, integrated resource, application protocols, abstract test suites, application interpreted constructed. Status of STEP. STEP has been under development for many years and will continue for many more. Over a dozen STEP parts have been approved as international standards. Many other are under development. Continuous execution and lifecycle support. Continuous execution and lifecycle supports calls. Developed by US Department of Defense. Prescribes format for storage and exchange of technical data. Technical publications and important focus. OpenGL. OpenGL means Open Graphics Library. OpenGL in cross language, multi-platform application, programming interface. API for rendering 2D and 3D vector graphics. The API is totally used to interact with a graphic processing unit GPU to achieve hardware accelerator rendering. The OpenGL specification describes an abstract API for the drawing 2D and 3D graphics, although it is possible for the API to be implemented entirely in software. It is designed to be implemented mostly or entirely in hardware. The OpenGL specification describes an abstract API for drawing 2D and 3D graphics, although it is possible API implemented entirely software. The API is defined as a number of functions which may be called by the client program alongside a number of named integer constants. Example, constant G L except 2D, which corresponds to the decimal number 3553. Although the functions definitions are superficially similar to those of the C programming language, they are language independent. As such, OpenGL has many language binding. Some of these most noteworthy being JavaScript binding, WebGL. The API based on OpenGL ES 2.0 for 3D rendering for within the web browser. The C binding WGL, GLX and CGL. The C binding provided by iOS and the Java and C binding provided by Android. In addition to being language independent, OpenGL is also platform independent. The specification says nothing on subject of obtaining and managing in an OpenGL context, leaving these the details of underlying windowing system. For the same reason OpenGL is purely concerned with rendering, provide no API related to input audio or windowing. Application program, application oriented layer, language independent layer. This is a graphic kernel system, operating system, other resource, graphical resource. Standard for exchange images. The purpose of GKS and other similar standards is to allow graphics to be drawn on display device by an application program. The model is converted by a series of graphic primitives and these are then displayed on the screen using graphic procedure, typically by setting the value of pixels in a rectangular raster array. The raster array is represented by the region of computer memory is known as bitmap. Data exchange standards. CAD data exchange involve a number of software technologies and methods to translate data from one computer-aided design system to another CAD file format. In the recent decades, the data transfer of data between the system has been made possible by a neutral format of data exchange. CAD A, CAD B, CAD C, CAD D interconnection between these slides. So about the following reasons for exchanging the data are that all use the same CAD package. Special translator applications are used to change the data from one format to another format needed. A neutral format is used for data exchange. The major element suppliers uses IDEA. The major company uses CATIA. This CATIA is connection between the program user Unigraphics. Small suppliers uses SolidEdge. Smaller supplier using AutoCAD.